guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create your Twitter account. Twitter is a free social networking microblogging service that allows registered member to broadcast short posts called tweets. Twitter member can broadcast tweets and follow other user tweets by using multiple platforms and devices. To create your Twitter account, click on browser, go to twitter.com, enter your phone number or email just below the Join Twitter Today. Create a strong password which contains number, upper and lower cases. Click on Get Start button. Enter your full name. Check your mobile for verification code. Click on Verify button. Enter your email ID. Click on Next button. Choose the given name on the suggestion. Click on Next button. Now your Twitter ID is successfully created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.